Talk to me a little bit about door styles for kitchens.
So a kitchen can take on a certain look, whether it's farmhouse, ultra modern, traditional, whatever. And the shape of the door kind of calls the shot on which direction of style you want to go in. So I'm going to pull 3. These are all unfinished door styles. So you're not focusing on the color, just the shape of the door. And I'll lay them down. So this is a flat door. It's very modern looking. You know, if you put the right hardware on here, it could be very clean, no lines, or straight lines, no frills, just a clean, flat look, which takes you into an ultra modern look for that one. This one is very traditional. The raised center panel, it'll never go out of style. It's what you've seen your entire life. And with the right hardware, you can make it go in whatever direction, but for the most part, this one's gonna be traditional. Then this one's sort of transitional. Most people have heard of shaker. Well, this is a shaker door in that it's a flat center panel, but it has a little something to add a little bit of character to it. So this can transition between something up to date and something traditional. And then when you pair the countertop, the design on the countertop also can take you in a direction.